So good morning all of you, the student of class 3. Welcome to your math class. Now everybody please open your math magic book and the page number is 10. The chapter name is where to look for, means the first chapter. So already up to 9 page we have done. So today we will start from the 10th number page. So everybody open your book and read the instruction. On the page it has been provided. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? They are saying that using a dotted line. So look at the first picture. Can you tell me, student, what is the first picture in your book? Which picture has been provided in your book on the first list? Can you recognize? Okay, comb, Saptarshi, very good, yes, it's a comb. So if I think, if all of you think that this is the comb, now, okay, so it's not look that much well, but still just for explanation purpose, now they are saying using a dotted line. So just think that I am using this dotted line, okay. So they are asking, by using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? Similar halves means both the sides will look same. Both the side look same. Both the side size will be same. So now tell me, so can I divide this comb by using a dotted line in a similar two similar halves? Is both the halves look same or not? Whether it looks same or not? After dividing this comb, both the side looking same or not? Yes, Sheikh Chad has answered yes. So it means in this way you have to be divided the picture that has been given on your book. Now perhaps all the picture can't be divided into two similar halves. All the pictures you can't divide into two similar halves. Like one thing, just two. Look at your book. On the third row, on the fourth line, third one is 2. So you can't divide 2 by using a dotted line, isn't it? Because this side and this side doesn't look same. So it will not work with the dotted line. So those picture can be divided into two similar halves. Just do it now. I am giving all of you 2 minutes. Do it and send me the photocopy of your page. And those who has already completed it, send me the classwork. And also you can divide it horizontally, like 8, one number is 8 there. So you can divide the 8 like this by using a dotted line. Yes, it's absolutely correct. And also if you want, you can divide 8 like this also. Like this is horizontally. This side and this side, both sides look same. Upper part and lower part. And here also left side and right side. Both are look same. Okay, Pratushna, you can draw it in your copy beta and then after that you can do. But I will say that I will suggest don't do, because it will be a time taking process, because there are lots of kind of pictures. So in this class duration, I think you couldn't solve it. So use your pencil, do it in your book, do it patiently, make it beautiful. Don't rub so many times, just do it. No, Saptarshi, listen beta. Shape means look at the instruction. Using a dotted line, you have to be use these dotted line to divide the picture, those can be divided into two same half. Means this side and this side both will be look same. In which picture you think that if you draw the dotted line still both the side doesn't look same, then you have to be cross this box. Means this can't be divided into two similar halves. Am I clear? Okay, do it beta. Okay, do it. Now say me, the letter can be divided into two similar halves by using a dotted line. Letter, Oshmi, you can't see me better, but the screen is clear. Check your screen view, grid view or not. Check your view. If it is not grid view, turn on the grid view mode, and still if you are facing problem, then disconnect the call better and then join the class once again. It's Rishabh. Why no, Rishabh? Look at the letter. It's a letter, it looks like this, then this. So if you draw this horizontal, this dotted line vertically, then yes, both the side looks same. Then the letter will be ticked. It can be. Then 8 already I have done. 8 already I have shown. Then the picture of Caesar. So if you use this dotted line, so both the side can be a similar halves. Then after that, a button over there, short button. So there are 4. So you can divide it like this. You can divide it like this also by using the dotted line. Miss your short button, okay? Then look at the picture of teapot. It's not that much well, just look like a book, but still if you think. So now tell me the teapot. Tell me student, the teapot, can you divide, can a dotted line divide it into two similar halves? Teapot, can you divide teapot into two similar halves? Yes or no? I didn't get any answer. No, yes. Because if you divide it like this, then see this side and this side doesn't look same, and also if you divide it like this by using the dotted line, then this side and this side also doesn't look same. So it will be cross, okay? It doesn't mean that all can be done, some maybe not. How can we cut 2? Better we can't cut 2. Look at there. This is the part of 2. You can't, because this side and this side doesn't look same, means these herbs and these herbs, so it cannot be. So you can do one thing, you can just give a cross mark over, no need to give the dotted line, because you can't. I'm only for the explanation purpose I just draw this. Okay, okay, so it's Rishabh Saptarshi has sent me the first. Okay, Saptarshi Kundu, later you can, then why you cross? Number 8 you cross, why? You make all those things mismatch. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into 2 similar herbs? Those picture you can divide. Those picture you can divide into 2 similar herbs. Put tick mark, not the cross mark. If you not clear, those pictures you can divide those picture you can divide into 2 same or similar. I'm not writing herbs, it's parts. Parts, similar part. Where what the symbol you have to put? You have to put tick mark. Understand this information. Those picture you can divide into 2 same or similar. So, wait a minute. Similar part. Just put a tick. Okay. Is it clear now, all of you? So who are showing the picture? It's a Saptarshi. Okay, Saptarshi, please correct your one. Maria. Okay, Maria. Okay. Okay, Maria. Look at this picture, beta. Like the 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number line, 2 number picture after the plane. Like you can say it's screwdriver. So look at here, beta. That look at here, beta. This how it draw. You should see the picture very clearly. Now it's not that much proper, but look at your book, beta. The top part is bigger in size, and the lower part smaller than the upper part. The lower part is smaller in size than the upper part. And also here, if you look at the picture, So this side is small here, this side is small, but this side is bigger in shape. It cannot be. You just cross this one. My drawing is not that much proper, but look at your book, beta. Okay, Oshmi Pal, beta, we can't divide the umbrella into two similar halves, okay? We can't divide into two similar halves the umbrella, so you can put a cross mark over there. Then iron also cross. Suitcase alright, glass is alright. Number 2 you can put the cross, and this one put the cross. Look at your picture. The top part shape is bigger in size, the mouth part, and the lower part mouth is smaller in size, so you can't. The aeroplane part is alright. Tape recorder cross alright. Cup you can't, because look at the shape of the cup. The lower part is like this, little bit this. So this shape and this shape is not same. So you can't divide it into two similar halves. Okay? Joita, you can't see board, but everything is alright over here. Okay, it's Ojashik. Okay, so today up to this much we will do. On the next class, look at the next page, the 11th number page. 11th number page. Can you guess this letter from their halves? So on the first part they have provided you only the half of the letter, and now they are saying that if you open the fold or spread the fold, what the letter it will come, what the letter it will become. So see, the first one, look at your book, the first one, the shape of the page is like this. So what the number it will be become? A. Very good. So if you open the fold, it will become 8. So look at here on your book. In your book, see here, there is some space now. So write down those alphabet, what it will be if you open the folder. And see here, the ant is saying guess the words by looking at their halves. So see, H has been given in a half portion. So the another half part you have to be complete. So H here, this part, try to do it at home, okay? Try to do it at home. So can I say to all of you that the 11th number page, they have given the half of all the alphabet. Now you have to draw the next half part of those alphabet. So can you do it at home? Can I tell my students that please do it at home? So are you promise me that you will do it at home, everybody who are doing in class now? Yes, very good. That's my students. And on the next page, they show you how to draw marks, face marks. So if you want, you can draw this lovely picture, and you can do, draw it. Okay. Okay, good. So today up to this much we will do. On the next class I will see that whether my students done all those homework or not, and then after that we will start our next chapter, fun with numbers. Okay.